Hi everyone, my name is Ashish Kumar Patel. I'm a full-time professional artist and instructor. The journey of drawing and painting started from Angel Academy of Art, Florence, Italy, under the guidance of Michael John Angel and Jared. I will be starting this intermediate course with a grisaille painting using the black and white color and painting this kettle to get to know how the value system works. Also get to know how to finish the still life nicely. We will also focusing on how to blend with the brush in such a way so that we get a finished look in our still life. In the portrait also we'll kind of doing the same thing. As you can see here how I'm starting the portrait and giving here the finished look of the portrait here. Once you master the portrait in grisaille, you'll get to know how the value system work in the landscape using this aerial perspective thing. And then we will finally come to the color study where I will be showcasing you all about primary colors and how to mix the skin tone in such a way that it look like an old master painting. All these nuances of painting will be shown clearly when you really understand how to mix the color tones in a many different ways using the hue, saturation and the brightness. That is the backbone of painting. That will help you to really master how to paint the landscape in a beautiful manner and also understand the light and shadow on the portrait. After that, we will be focusing on finishing different portraits skin tone, Asian skin tone, Caucasian skin tone, and to really understand how to give a finished look to the portrait. Once we master the skill of the portrait, we will be focusing on a different aspect of the composition also, which is the backbone of the painting. So thank you.